Hi there, Dave. It's Marcy Hutton. I spoke to you in regards to shooting this custom video for you and your business. Now, what I'm going to show you are 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You're probably asking yourself, why would I make videos for people and what's in it for me? The reason I do this is because when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, could you do this for me? So if by the end of the video you liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works too. So the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. So when I say content, these 3 things are the things that really carry the most weight in making your site more visible online, obviously then getting more clicks and more attention. So what I've got highlighted here, this is what I mean by content, and your images as well. Now let's see, nice truck. You see how there you've just got letters and numbers and everything. So it's a missed opportunity when I say, content on your homepage. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words, and that might seem a little extreme, but the reason for this is that they want to, when a new site hits the web, they go in and they crawl it, and the reason, the entire thing, the reason for this is they want it for a later date when somebody's searching, they want to go in there and see what new information's been added. And in your case, when it's a service, they want to know all of the services that you offer and what location you offer them in. And then that way, when somebody in the future types something into the search browser, they can match up the results. And they want to give the best results to their searchers because they want to keep them on the search engine. That's how they make money. So that you can see why the more information that they have to go on, they're crawling the web, they see that one business in the market has a couple hundred words and then the one next to it's got 1,500. They'll see the one with 1,500 as being the expert and of course display them higher in the search. So that's absolutely something that you can do. And as I said, when the pictures are saved, if the pictures, you want to save the picture as roof cleaning, roof cleaning Vancouver, roof cleaning, whichever areas you're wanting to target. Then you're going to tell, you're telling Google more and more, like this is what I do and this is where I do it, and put me up there. So content, you could add some content there. And the second thing that I'll discuss, and it's the key to helping you to potentially getting up into these top 3, and that's citations. What a citation is, it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Foursquare, there's endless amounts of free directories that you can list your business at. So the more directories you have your business listed in, then Google's out there crawling the web, sees you all over the place. It tells them that you are a legitimate business. And this here is a citation as well, your map listing. It has your name, address, and phone number. So when it comes to this area, the more, when you have your business cited in more, you beat the rest of your competitors for having more citations. That is going to help to push you up in the search, in the list here for this one. So that's how that helps you in this part of the page. And then what will help you to get down into this part of the page, this is the organic section. And this is where I'll move on to the backlinks, the third thing. Now, first of all, what a backlink is when you have a link from a third-party website linking back to your website, when you hover over just like that, that's a link, right? So when you've got that and you've got links coming in from other websites, that's what backlink links are. And the simplest way to explain how this helps you or benefits you is if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when you have other sites on the internet voting for you, aka giving you a link, that in turn pushes you up the search. Google sees you as the popular one, so they push you up higher so that you can be more visible because all these other sites on the internet are paying attention to you, they're linking to you. So I've taken your site and I put it into this tool, which shows us, you know, what's going on for your backlink profile and what words you're being found for. And you can see that there isn't any data. So that can lead us to believe that there aren't any links. You are being found for 4 words. Let's see what they are. Premium detailing Vancouver, gutter cleaning West Vancouver. In this case, you can see it's got 10 search for that exact phrase. There's about 10 searches average a month for that. However, over here, when we go to this place position, 80, it's usually about 10 listings per page. So, you know, here we are on the 8th or 9th page, and that kind of explains why when you go to these metrics and you can see that there's no traffic because nobody's finding your business. So what I did, so you can see how this works, and we kind of just outlays the work that we need to do. And when I mentioned backlinks, they're not all created equal. You definitely want to have links that are coming from sites that are reputable, that Google trusts. They've been on the internet for a while, and they're relevant to what it is you do. So I took this site here because your Yelp is, of course, a directory and 3 best rated. So the first one is business, and I put in the same tool so you could see he has 9 referring domains. So there's 9 other websites on the internet that are linking back to his. He's got giving him 42 backlinks. It's being found for about 156 keywords, and this is where the content is important. And the work that he's done here is bringing him roughly, you know, on average 100 visitors a month. And, you know, but this really isn't all that strong of a backlinks profile. So it gives you an idea of you know, there's definitely situations for keywords. I recognize that you have other services that you do. I used gutter cleaning, just chose gutter cleaning for today's example and comparison. So, you know, the key is that you optimize yourself for all of your services, or maybe you like one service more than the other. And you can put your energies toward that and carry on to the rest. So I'm going to leave it at that. I don't like these to get too long, David, but hopefully you found that information useful. Summarize, more content on your homepage, having your business listed in more directories throughout the web, and getting some backlinks. So I'll follow up, make sure that you did receive the video, and happy to answer any questions if you have any. Talk to you soon, David.